Good morning, dears. Last day we have completed up to question number 11 from exercise 4.2. Look at question number 12. It says find the number which is 52,827 less than the least 6-digit number. So what is the least 6-digit number we have? We'll be writing least. The word least means smallest. Okay, dear. Least 6-digit number. 1 then 5 zeros. 1 lakh, that is it? Now they have asked find the number which is 52,827 less than 1 lakh is equal to, we'll subtract it. When we subtract, this is 10, 9, 9, 9 and 9. So 10 minus 7, 3, 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 5, 4. So the required number is 47,173. Please write, this is question number 12. Then number 13, they have asked find the value of 1,000 less than 8,917. The word less than means we have to subtract. It will be less, is it? So let us see number 13. It is given 1,000 less than 8,917. So we'll be writing required number is equal to 8,917 minus 1,000. And this gives you 7,917. Just finish. Like that we have to write. Okay. See number B. This is given 10,000 less than 42,132. So we'll write required number 42,132 minus 10,000. Then this gives you 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Finish. So just we have to subtract that particular number and we have to write. Next says 10 less than. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 10. Is it? 10 less than 53,647. C is 10 less than 53,647. So we'll write required number 53,647 minus 10. So this gives you 73635. 53,637. It was 47 minus 10. It is 37. Is it? So similarly, you have to do number D, E, F. Then question number 14, it says subtract and check. Already you have learned this in question number 5. There you had to find the difference and then you had to check your answers whether it is correct or not. So same thing we have to do it for question number 14 also. They have given 14A 63,912 from 75,869. So first of all we have to subtract. Nine minus 2, 7, 6 minus 1, 5, 18 minus 9, 9, 4 minus 3, 1, 7 minus 6, 1. Okay, then we'll write checking. First of all, we have to write this difference. Then we have to write the smaller number, the subtrahend. And then we have to add it up to get minuend. 7 plus 2, 9. 5 plus 1, 6. 9 plus 9, 18. Carrying 1. 3 plus 2, 5. And 6 plus 1, 7. So we have got the same number what we had given for the minuend. 75,869. 75,869. It means our answer is correct. Is it? Okay. Just see question number C. This is question number A. Question number C, it says, $78,321 from 93,287. Is it? So what we have to write first? 93,287 minus 78,321. Now we'll subtract 7 minus 1, 6, 8 minus 2, 6, 12 minus 3, 9, 12 minus 8, 4, and 8 minus 7, 1. Is it? We have got this difference. Now we'll see whether our answer is correct or not. So first of all, we have to write the difference, then the smaller number. Then we have to add it up to get the bigger number, the minuend. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. 9 plus 3, 12. 4 plus 8, 12 and 1, 13. 7 and 2, 9. Do we get the same number? 93,287. It means our answer is correct. Is it? Let us see question number F. After writing number C, we'll see question number F. So the sums which I am writing on the board, you have to write it compulsorily, and the sums which are not written on the board, you must solve. You must write along with the sums. So you have clear concept and you can understand well. You can understand, you can differentiate whether you have done correct, you are following it correctly or not. Is it? It's given 4,89,016 from 8,19,007. So first of all, we have to write 8,19,007. You can skip this commas. Even I will suggest you, no need to write commas in between the operation. Then 489,016. Now we are going to subtract 7 minus 6, 1. This will turn into 10. This will turn into 9. And this will turn into 8. This will turn into 10. And this will turn into 7. Will it be? So 7 minus 6, 1. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 18 minus 9, 9. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 8, 2. 7 minus 4, 3. Now we'll check it. Then we'll add the smaller number. 6 plus 1, 7. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 9, 9, 18 and 1, 19. Is it? 8 to 10 and 1, 11. 4, 3, 7 and 1, 8. Do we get the same number? So this is checked. It means we can see our answers are correct. Is it? So this way we have to do question number 4.2. Then 4.3 you have to do it in the book only. You have the numbers. You can see the middle column is given and you have to fill the upper column 1000 less, 10,000 less and 100 less, and the down column 1000 more, 10,000 more and 100 more. Is it? So you don't have to write it in the copy. I'll be sending you through the picture question of exercise 4.3. So you have to do it in the book only. Okay. So you finish in the copy exercise 4.2 and 4.3 I'll be sending you through the picture. Okay dear. 4.3 you have to do it in the book. Thank you. Take care. Keep practicing.